back, man. Back in the garage, another day with the whip. We actually got the sound deadener in, so today we got to start putting the sound deadener in the trunk. Get that all situated before we start reassembling it. We're gonna get all that done today. Gotta go to AutoZone though, pick up the manifold gaskets. They finally came in. I ordered them like a week ago. Finally got those in. We got the oil pan gasket in. We're gonna get those done soon, man. I'm just still waiting on that manifold. Keep y'all updated on that, but let me show y'all the product we got for the trunk. So I bought this stuff called Silas. I don't know if y'all tried it yet off Amazon. But we installing it right now. The square is actually pretty big, and they got some big sheets. I went ahead and laid one sheet down inside the trunk. Got it down in there. So got my vacuuming out the trunk, getting all the loose debris out. It says it's pretty adhesive, which it is. So I stuck that one down. So I was gonna try to use like some acetone or something and scrub out all the rest of the little extra sticky from the carpets, but we're just gonna go over it, pull the amp out. I still need to finish pulling out that capacitor and wrap my power wire off because it's still hot, you know, but we got it taped off and a little butt connector on the end of there, so it's good. But I need to take that capacitor and everything out so I can get from here to the top fully Dynamated before I put it all back together. But I'm gonna try to get the rest of this done, and I'm gonna cut y'all back on whenever I get the rest of this finished out. We back, man. We got everything installed. We used the entire box of the kill mat, and it still wasn't enough, so we may just go ahead and seal it up. I think everything should be good. We just got that little spot back there, a couple of spots in the quarters, but I don't think it'll be too bad. We was able to get all the way up here, get all that done. I think right now I'm just gonna start reassembling the trunk and then cut y'all back on once I get the trunk reassembled, start gluing the carpet back down. First I'm gonna get my side panels back in, I think, or I'll make a little bottom. Yeah, I'm gonna glue the bottom carpet back down and I'll put my side panels back in and get everything situated and snatch this capacitor out of here. And then, yeah, I'll check back in with y'all when I get all that stuff done and back inside the car. But otherwise, like I said, it wasn't too bad to install. Wasn't a bad little product off Amazon. I think it's like 50 bucks. Just go ahead and grab some and hook yourself up if you're trying to put some real monsters in the trunk. Finally got the trunk put back together. I think I am gonna go ahead and see if I can find all new trunk felts, because when I pulled it up, kind of separated some spots, some glue spots. I ran out of adhesive promoter so I can stick this trim piece down and kind of smooth it out with some heat. But I'm debating, man, if I want to keep the spare tire in there or take the spare tire out, because I don't know, I don't want to be stuck riding something, catch a flat, and then ain't got no spare to put on to get out of there. You know, you don't be stuck on the side of the highway. And I definitely ain't leaving this thing on the side of the highway, so we'd be sitting there till the tow truck came. But so I think I may just keep the spare in there. Like I said, I got suede corners done. I need to get enough material so I can do the floors in all suede too. I'll probably cover everything with suede. But yeah, I just threw it back together the best I could for now with the new Dynamat in there. I should have the new setup Thursday if everything goes well. The new 12s and the amp should be here. We may wire that up, but like I said, just to save a little paper, or I may take it to Custom Sounds and Tent, which is my plan. I had him hook it up, you know. Sometimes it's just one of those crazy things where it seems like the professionals do it a lot better than you can yourself, even though it's the same thing. So definitely gonna take it over there to them, let them hook it up. Hopefully everything turns out right. But again, man, just another little quick video on the car. Got the trunk insulated, everything back in. Took about 3.5 hours to get it all done, but we all good now. So go finish off this video, man. Y'all check in for the next one, man. Like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.